up guys, Stereo. Look how beautiful that is. So yeah, that big red ball of fire is yet to show. It's early in the morning, 5, and I'm on the beach. I'm trying to catch the tide. It's low tide in an hour, so just want to have a quick detect in the water or in the wet sand while it's low, and then later we'll go somewhere else. Awesome, yeah. Okay, here's my first signal. $50, $42, all over. Too rare. Start with a rusty, shiny, too rare. Cool. Ho, it's not. It's a ring. Silver. That's definitely silver. That's old. Oh yeah, that's how I came here. So dig everything. Oh yeah, at least. Certainly fishing rods again. Go. Some fishing weights, so many. Cool. Yeah, I'm working in the wet sand in the waves and I'm sopping wet, and it's quite frustrating because it's not really low. But check in there and I haven't even taken it out yet. I just saw gold and I grabbed it. The wave was going to take it. But it doesn't really have much weight to it. It does have a stamp on it. Let's have a look. I can't really see, I think it's 18. That's awesome. That's not a shell. Those round little ones, they seem to be like that. Special. Old toothman. Another fishing weight, yeah, I think. Could be something else. Could be something else. But it's still in there. See if I can point it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, so back home. If you guys guys are interested in metal detecting, you want to purchase something in South Africa, check out mdsa.co.za. They can assist with all your metal detecting gear, also with panning and magnet fishing. So yeah, have a great night.